Question number 13. You can see first part. 1 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 1, 5. 0, 2, 4. 7, 4, 0. 7, 5, 0. 7, 5, 0. 1 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 1, 5. 0, 2, 4. 7, 5, 0. Minus 2 minus 5, 7. First I will multiply this two matrices. This is for one row and 3 columns. Here 3 rows and 3 columns. So you will get 1 row and 3 column when you will multiply. So 1 into 2, 2 minus 2 into 0, minus 0 plus 3 into 7. 1 into minus 1, minus 2 into plus 2, that is minus 4. 3 into 5 plus 15. 1 into 5, 5. Minus 2 into 4, minus 8. Plus 3 into 0 plus 0. Minus this as it is I am writing. 2 minus 5, 7. So here 2 minus 0 plus 21. So 23. Minus 1 minus 4. Minus 5 plus 15. So I can write 10. 5 minus 8, that is what? Minus 3. Minus 2 minus 5, 7. So you get 23 minus 2. 23 minus 2. 10 minus minus plus 10 plus 5 minus 3 minus 7. So we will get matrix 23 minus 2, that is 21. This is 15 and this is minus 10. This is the answer. Like this you have to solve. Now first is over. Now second you can do. It is same like this only. You have to multiply two matrices and then subtract that last matrix. Like this you can solve. If you have any problem you can ask. So I will reply within 24 hours. Question number 14. This also you can do. AB you can multiply. Can you find BA? You can see. B is what? 2 rows, 3 columns. B is what? 2 rows, 3 columns. And A is what? 2 rows, 2 columns. No, you can't find because here these two are not. First matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. Then only you can multiply. So this is not possible. 15th question you can see. 15th question you can see. 14th, 15th also AB you have to multiply and BA you have to solve. It is equal or not, you have to check. Now I am coming to question number 16. See question number 16. Question number 16 you can see A is given. Cos 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha, sin 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha, sin 2 alpha, minus sin 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha. Find A square. You have to find A. A square I can write what? A dot. A square I can write A dot. Okay, I can multiply. Cos 2 alpha, sin 2 alpha, minus sin 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha. You have to multiply with the same matrix. Cos 2 alpha, sin 2 alpha, minus sin 2 alpha and cos 2 alpha. So you can see cos 2 alpha into cos 2 alpha. That is cos square 2 alpha plus sin square 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha into minus sin 2 alpha. That is minus sin square 2 alpha. Like this only you multiply. Like this. This into this plus this into this. This into this plus this into this. Like this only you multiply. Cos 2 alpha into sin 2 alpha. Cos 2 alpha sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. Minus sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. Minus sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 alpha into minus sin 2 alpha. So minus sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. Minus sin 2 alpha into sin 2 alpha. Minus sin square 2 alpha plus cos 2 alpha into cos 2 alpha. That is plus cos square 2 alpha. So here you can see cos square 2 alpha minus sin square 2 alpha. What is the formula? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. I am writing here. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. I can write cos 2 theta. But here it is theta. Then here it is twice of theta. So if I am writing cos square 2 alpha minus sin square 2 alpha, what will I write? Cos 2 alpha. So here it will be double of that. So 4 alpha. Cos 4 alpha, cos 2 alpha, sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha. What is the formula? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So sin A plus B, sin 2 alpha plus 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 alpha. Or I can write what? Sin 1 minute. It is wrong. Sin theta, cos theta. Sin 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 alpha, sin 2 alpha. Sin A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Or I can write 1 minute. Oh. So directly you can add sin 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha, sin 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha. You can use that formula also, but here both are same, so I can write what? 2 sin 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha. Here minus 2 sin 2 alpha, cos alpha, cos 2 alpha, and this is also sin 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha. Both are negative, so minus 2 sin 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha, minus sin square alpha, 2 alpha plus cos square 2 alpha. So I can write cos 4 alpha. Is this same? Is it clear? This cos 4 alpha, and this is what? Sin 2 sin theta cos theta. You see, sin 2 theta is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. If it is 2 sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha, here it is theta, then it is double. So 2 sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha will be what? Sin 4 alpha. So I can write this is cos 4 alpha, sin 4 alpha. This is minus sin 4 alpha, and this is cos 4 alpha. Like this you have to solve. Is it clear? This is 16th first part. Now let's do second part. Question number 16th second part. If m of theta is equal to cos theta sin theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, show that you have to show that mx my is equal to m of x plus y. So I can do m of x, m of y I can write. So let's start writing m of x, m of y. So what will be m of x? So you'll write cos x sin x minus sin x cos x. My what should I write? Cos y sin y minus sin y cos. This you are solving LHS. Now you see cos x cos y multiplying cos x cos y plus sin x into minus sin y. So minus sin x sin y, cos x into sin y plus sin x into cos y. Minus sin x cos y plus cos x into minus sin y, so plus minus cos x sin y minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. Like this we can write cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Here x and y both are different. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So I can write formula cos x plus y. You know cos a plus b is what? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos x plus y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, or sin y cos x plus cos x cos y sin x. I can write sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. I can write sin A plus B means x plus 1. Here it is same, only negatives, only I will put negative outside, so it will be what? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Again this is what? Sin x plus y. Here it is minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. I can write cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. It means cos a plus b, cos x plus. So is equal to m of x plus y. Definitely. Because if I put x plus y at the place of theta, it will be same, cos of x plus y, sin of x plus y, minus sin x plus y, cos of x plus y. So hence, like this you have to solve. 16th first part is okay. Now first, second okay. Now 17th question you can see. Question number 17, you can see A is given, show that A square is equal to A. You have to show that A square is equal to A. How will you do? A, I am writing minus 135 minus 135, 1 minus 3 minus 5, minus 135. Show that A square is equal to A. You have to show this. So I am solving A square first. A square I can write A dot A. It will be minus 135, 1 minus 3 minus 5, minus 1, 3, 5. Multiply with the same, minus 135, 1 minus 3 minus 5, minus 135. Minus 135, 1 minus 3 minus 5 and minus 135. Continue. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 3 into 1 plus 3, plus 5 into minus 1 minus 5, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, plus 3 into minus 3 minus 9, plus 5 into 3 plus 15, minus 1 into 5 minus 5, plus 3 into minus 5 minus 15, plus 5 into 5 plus 25. 1 into minus 1 minus 1, minus 3 into 1 minus 3, minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5, 1 into 3, 3, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9, minus 5 into 3 minus 15, 1 into 5, 5, minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15, minus 5 into plus 5 minus 25, minus 1 into minus 1, 1, plus 3 into 1 plus 3, plus 5 into minus 1 minus 5, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, plus 3 into minus 3 minus 9, plus 5 into 3 plus 15, minus 1 into 5 minus 5, plus 3 into minus 5 minus 15, plus 5 into 5 plus 25. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. Minus 3 minus 9, minus 12 plus 15, 3. Minus 5 minus 15, minus 20 plus 25, 5. Minus 1 minus 3, minus 4 plus 5, 1. 12 minus 15, minus 20 minus 25, minus 4 minus 5, minus 1, minus 12 plus 15, minus 5 minus 15, minus 20 plus 25. You can see is equal to 1. Minus 1, 3, 5, 1 minus 3 minus 5, 1 minus 3 minus 5, minus 1 is equal. So it is proved that A square is equal to A. Now 18th question. A is equal to 2 minus 1, 3, 2. B is equal to 0, 4 minus 1, 7. Find 3A square minus 2B plus I. I is what? Identity matrix. 3A square. So 3A square. So 3 is outside. A square. And then A square. How will I write? 2 minus 1, 3, 2. 2 minus 1, 3, 2. A square. So A into A. Minus 2 into 0, 4 minus 1, 7 plus I is what? Same matrix. It will come what? 2 into 2 matrix. So 0. 1 0 0 1. Now one thing you can do, you can multiply this first two, then you can do, or you can multiply these two first and then you can multiply with this lambda, whatever is comfortable. So what will I do? I can multiply directly. 3 to the 6, 3 minus 1 3, 3 is a 9, 3 is a 6, 2 minus 1 3 2 minus this you can multiply, 2 0 0 0, 2 4 is 8 minus 2 14 plus 1 0 0 1. Now 6 2 is a 12, minus 3 into minus plus 3 minus 9, 6 into minus 1 minus 6, minus 3 into 2 minus 6, 9 into 2 18 plus 6 into 3 18, 9 into minus 1 minus 9 plus 6 into 2 plus 12 minus 0 8 minus 2 14 plus 1 0 0 1. 12 minus 9 3 minus 12 36, 12 minus 9 3, 12 minus 9 3, minus 6 minus 6 minus 12 18 plus 18 36, 9 12 minus 9 3 minus 0 8 minus 2 14 plus 1 0 0 1. You can 3 minus 0 plus 1, so 4 3 plus 1 4, minus 12 minus 8, minus 12 minus 8 plus 0, so minus 12 minus 8 will be minus 20 plus 0 minus 20. 36 minus minus 2, 36 plus 4 40 plus 0 40. 3 minus 14, so minus 11, minus 11 plus 1 minus 10. So answer is 4 minus 20, 40 and minus 10. Let's check. 4 minus 20, here I am getting wrong. 36 minus minus 2 plus 2, here is 38. 36 plus 2 is 38 minus 10. Yeah. Now 18th part is over. Now question number 19. Question 19th, you can see A, B, C, 3 matrices are given. You have to verify that A into B plus C. I am writing question number 19. A into B plus C, you have to prove is equal to AB plus AC. AB plus. First I am writing A. A is equal to 2 1. B is equal to 5 3 4. 5 3 4 8 7 6, and C is equal to minus 1 2 1 and 0 1. First LHS I am solving. A of B plus C. So A is what? 2 1. B plus C. First I will add B plus C. B plus C is what? 5 3 4 8 7 6 plus minus 1 2 1 0 1 2. So first I will add this B plus C. 5 minus 1 4 3 plus 2 5 4 plus 1 5 8 plus 0 8 7 plus 1 8 6 plus 2 8. Like this you can multiply. Now 2 1 here this is 1 row 2 columns, here 2 rows 3 columns, this and this is same. So you will get matrix of 1 row and 3 columns. 2 into 4 8 plus 1 8 is 8. 2 5 is 10 plus 1 into 8 plus 8. 2 into 5 10 plus 1 into 8. So you get 16 18 16 18 and 18. 16 18 and 18. You are getting this. When you are solving this, you are getting this matrix 16, 18, 18. Now let's solve RHS part, AB plus AC. AB plus first I'll multiply AB. So 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 8, 7, 6 plus A into C, 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 1. So 2 into 5, 10 plus 1, 8 is 8. 2 into 3, 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7 is 7. 2 4 is 8 plus 1 6 is 6. Plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 0. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2. So we'll get 18, 13, 14 plus minus 2, 5, 4. 18 minus 2, 16. 13 plus 5, 18. 14 plus 4, 18. You can see here this and this. Both are same, so I can say both are equal. LHS is equal to RHS, hence true. 19th question is over. Now question number 20. Question number 20 you can see. This you can do. A, B, C, 3 are given. Verify that first AB of C. First you have to multiply AB. Then you have to multiply with C. And here A you leave. Then you multiply first BC. Then you multiply A of BC. Like this you can solve. This you can do by your own. 21st. Solve for x and y. This I am doing 21st part. If you have any doubt, you can ask. 21st question. Solve for x and y. Given that it's given 2 minus 3, 1, 1, x, y is equal to 1, 3. 1. You can multiply first. 2 into x. 2x minus 3 into y minus 3y. 1 into x, 1x, 1 into y plus 1y. This is what? 2 rows, 2 columns. Here, 2 rows, 1 column. So, you will get matrix of 2 rows, 1 column. 2 rows, 1 column is equal to 1, 3. So, you can equate 2x minus 3y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to what? 3. This I can make coefficients equal y or x or whatever you want. I am making coefficients equal of this y. So multiply this equation with 3. So this 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. This will be what? 3x plus 3y is equal to 9. Minus 3y plus 3y cancel. 2x plus 3x, that is 5x is equal to 10. So x value is what? 2. 10 by 5, that is 2. X value is 2. So x plus y is equal to what? 3. So 2 plus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1. X value is 2 and y value is 1. Let's take question number 22. Question number 22, first part. 21st first part. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Now question number 21st, second part. Second part you can see x, y, 3y, x, y, 3y, x, 1, 2 is equal to, you can multiply. This is what? 2 into 2 matrix. This is 1 into 2 into 1. So you will get 2 into 1. 2 into 1 means 2 rows, 1 column. X into 1, x plus y into 2 plus 2y. 3y into 1, 3y plus x into 2 plus 2x is equal to 3, 5. So we get x plus 2y is equal to 3 and 3y plus 2x is equal to 5. Is it clear? Now I can equate. Here it is x plus 2y is equal to 3. Here it is 3y plus 2x is equal to 5. I can make coefficient equal coefficient you can make 2x. Here it is x, so multiply this equation with what? 2. So it will be what? 2x plus 4y is equal to 6, and this is 3y plus 2x is equal to 5. So I can write 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. This cancel, subtract 3y minus 4y minus y, 5 minus 6 minus y. So minus y is equal to minus 1, so y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1, so you can equate, you know, x plus 2y is equal to what? 3. So x plus 2 into 1 is equal to 3. So x plus 2 is equal to 3. So x is equal to what? 3 minus 2, that is 1. X is 1, y is equal to 21st, first and second part is over. Now question number 22. 22 is same as it is we did before. If you have doubt, you can ask in comment section. Second, you can do 22nd, or I'll do. Okay, I'll do question number 22nd. I'll do first part. A is given 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. Show that a square minus 15a minus 5a, a square minus 5a minus 14i is equal to O, that is null matrix. Let's start with a square. So a dot a, I will solve a square, or directly you can write here a square. So 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. Multiply with this 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. Minus 5 into 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. Minus 14 into I. So 1 0 0 1. LHS part I am solving. So 3 into 3 9, minus 5 into minus 4 plus 20. 3 into minus 5 minus 15, minus 5 into 2 minus 10, minus 4 into 3 minus 12, plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8, minus 4 into minus 5 plus 20, plus 2 into plus 2 4, minus 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10. 5 into 3 15, 5 into minus 5 minus 25, 5 into minus 4 minus 20, 5 into 2 10. Here it is minus 40, 1 is 40, 0 0 40. So clear? 9 plus 20 29, minus 25 minus 20, correct, minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 plus 20 plus 24 plus 20 plus 4 24, minus 15 minus 25 minus 20 10, minus 14 0 0 14. So you can see what will you get? 29 minus 15 minus 14. So 29 minus 15 minus 14. 29 minus 29, so 0. Minus 25 plus 25 minus 0. So 0. Minus 20 plus 20 minus 0. 24 minus 10 minus 14. So 24 minus 20 is equal to what? O, it is equal to RHS. Like this you have to solve. First part is over now. Second part you can do by your own. Rest of the questions I will do in next video. Thank you.